on lately? I haven't exactly been the perfect boyfriend. You know, I mean, I didn't tell her I got Rachel pregnant. I gave her a key to my apartment that I had to lock.
Here, Bella. Give me the wall. Ready? Here, Bella.
Our cat is a dog.